Cuisinart MSC-600 3-in, 1-cook central 6-quart multi-cooker, slow cooker, brown/saute, steamer. Cuisinart continues to deliver premium countertop appliances that are truly multifunctional with this Cook Central multi-cooker. It simplifies combination cooking, letting you bypass the stovetop by browning ingredients right in the unit before switching to slow cook. The preset function buttons and time and temperature controls offer easy-to-use brown/saute, slow cook and steam options. A 24-hour timer and automatic keep warm setting promise a fresh cooked meal, warm and ready when you're ready to eat. 12L/19W/9-1/2H, with a 6-quart capacity. 1-touch switches modes when recipe calls for combination cooking. Extra large blue backlit LCD display with easy-to-read time and temperature settings. Removable 6-quart nonstick aluminum cooking pot. Glass lid with cool touch handle for clear view and comfortable handling. Dishwasher-safe removable parts for effortless cleanup. Steaming rack included. Limited 3-year warranty. 3 fully programmable cooking functions. Slow cook on high, low, simmer or warm for up to 24 hours, includes automatic keep warm feature. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. Cuisinart MSC-600 3-in, 1-cook central 6-quart multi-cooker, slow cooker, brown/saute, steamer. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.